Welcome back. This is your host, Nora Musri, and this is Echoes of Impact. We're back to our friend Talyn and continue the conversation about branding. And here, I wanted to actually hear from you more about the branding blueprint because this is actually what we worked on for my business. And for me, I could not comprehend what is that. You tell me the branding blueprint. I'm like, okay, how is that going to benefit me? I did not understanding. It turns out this is a magic. So but I did not know, and I'm sure a lot of people did not never heard about the branding blueprints.
Yeah, so the brand blueprint, it is your foundation for your business. Just like you have a business plan, you have your financials, you have your marketing plan, you have your projections. Well, it does not have your brand at all anywhere in your business plan. So your brand blueprint is the foundation for how you show up in your business, how you talk about yourself, how you talk about your business, how you talk about your services, and more importantly, who exactly is your target audience for your business. And I just want to really stress you cannot help everyone. And the minute you say, well, my business, I help everyone, I try to help as many people as possible, you actually help no one because you. How are you supposed to help everyone? How are you supposed to talk to each individual step by step, one by one? It is impossible and it's going to take so much time, energy, and effort for you to do that. So, what we do with the brand blueprint is imagine a dartboard. Your brand blueprint is going to hit that red bullseye right in the middle. You're only talking to a very small audience, but that audience is going to be those individuals who are going to pay you exactly what you say you want. They're not going to negotiate your time. They're going to respect your process, and they're going to respect your entire service package. They are the clients who are ready to work with you even before you've met them. Everyone else on that dartboard, of course, they're still going to work with you, but you're just doing this. You're ignoring them, but you know that they're listening, and that's good because now you have a secondary target audience, but we're not focusing on them. The brand blueprint gives you a tunnel vision and ensures that your messaging is clear, concise, and you're repeating the same things over and over again. So we're really refining what your brand messaging is in your business using your voice and your personality.
Mhm. And I can say about that when we had the brand blueprints, and you showed us how to do actually the website based on the brand blueprints. I started getting people actually telling me, "Oh, okay, we want to work with you, but we don't think we can afford you now." Before they even ask about prices or anything, they just shied away about on working with me. So that's good for me and for them because now I'm not wasting their time. They're not wasting my time. At the same time, I have a lot of free resources that available for them in order to bring themselves up to be able to actually provide services. They can actually utilize the free resources until they are able to actually commit to my services. So this really does work. And speaking about on the website, do you think the business owners they should have a website, or do you think social media would be enough for them?
Okay, that is a hot topic, and I got asked this quite a lot. And in fact, I had a client ask me that same question. They don't have a website, and I said, "Look, this is the 21st century. Make sure you do have a website because your website is your HQ. It is your digital headquarters. It's like akin to you being homeless. If you don't have a business website, you're basically living hotel to hotel, and that's not what you want. You need a base, and then your social media or any other marketing is where you show up to show off that 1% of your expertise. This is how you start to build a following. This is how you show off exactly who you are, what you do, and why you are the perfect person to fix this very specific problem. Your website can't do that. Your website is like the last place they need to go to book, call you, to engage with your content, to find you. But there needs to be a house. Get a house, and then everything else will open up to you.
That's awesome. I love that concept because in the last episode we were talking about purchasing a house. So purchase your business house and get their website. And now like you can get an affordable way to get a website. You don't have to like pay tons of money like before. Uh, you definitely can do it. So yeah, I mean,
Well, a website is cheaper than an actual house, so
yeah.
there you go. And it's tax deductible, right?
Right. It's a business expense, so you can
Exactly.
go ahead and do it.
Exactly.
And I remember actually when I first started my business, I got into coaching program and there was like we're supposed to message people, tell them about what we do. And these people we already know. And I messaged someone and he asked me about my website. And I didn't have website at that time. It was actually being done, like someone was working on it, but I did not have it. So I was like, okay, this is really important because some people are not going to take you seriously if you
Hmm.
don't have a website. And one thing also I always tell people about, like, please get an email that was your domain name, not a
Yep.
Gmail, not AOL. Like, no one's going to take you seriously if you don't have that. So this is really important. And um, I want to ask you one thing. I'm sure the audience I'm going to ask now, if I cannot afford all of that at the moment, if I cannot do the branding blueprint, the website, the logo, everything that you spoke about, where should I start to build my way up?
Yeah, so you're talking about free content at the beginning. I have so much free content showing solopreneurs how to start building their personal brand in their business. So the first thing I would recommend is please follow me on Instagram. It's instagram.com/ boss diplomat. There is a lot of reels and videos, me talking about colors, logos, why you shouldn't go cheap on certain things, how to build a proper website in your business because that is your house. Ensuring that you are working with the right freelancers, because again, if you go cheap, and I actually recently got burnt by this, I went cheap on working with a freelancer to grow my YouTube, and unfortunately they filled it with a lot of fake subscribers. So now painstakingly I have to start my YouTube from scratch. I have to start at zero before I had over 1,000 subscribers. But having said that, I do have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/boss diplomat. Again, it's got a lot of really deep information about how to grow your brand in your business. And I also provide free brand analysis as well. So, what that means is I will audit. I hate that word, but I will audit your brand. I will look at your website. I will look at your Instagram, and I will post that on my YouTube channel without you having to pay for anything. So you're getting a high level assessment of what's working for you, what's missing on your website, what sort of social media strategy you need, what's working for you, what's not. So there is a lot of free content out there. You don't have to start with the brand blueprint straight away. In fact, Nora, since you and I have started to work, my process has changed a lot. For example, in the brand blueprint, tell me if you remember this or not, because this was new and I didn't work on this with you. But as part of the brand blueprint process, I now talk about your job title. I give you an entire description of what your job title is in your business. Because if you're calling yourself owner, founder, CEO, that's a red flag, because as a solopreneur, you should really have a very descriptive job description. So that's the first thing that new thing that I'm offering. Also, I look at your pricing strategy and your services in a lot of detail. It's because if I'm going to turn you into a premium brand, I want to make sure that the customer journey that you're providing to your clients is also premium. So these are all of the things that I look behind the scenes as well.
That's awesome. That's great. And guys, you want to follow Talyn because she's fun, actually. Look at her website, follow her on Instagram, and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Like, she's fun. Like, she makes everything funner, and see how colorful. Like, I love your taste on things. I love how you do things. It's amazing. So thank you so much. Where can people find you? Like, if you want to say, like, the best way to connect with you, to work with you.
Yes, so I'm super active on Instagram. So the best thing to do is direct message me on Instagram is at Boss Diplomat. Guys, go to my website, come to my house and invite yourself through my door. My calendar is live on my website. So you can have a free 30-minute brand session with me. And this is a good opportunity for you to also test out not only my expertise, but let me see if I can get into your head like I did with Nora. So that's a nice test for me as well. So there's lots of different ways you can reach out.
Awesome. Thank you. You want to make sure, like, go ahead and connect with Talyn. I'm sure you're going to get a ton of value. You're going to see your business in a different way. You're going to love your business more once you start branding yourself in your business. She's going to help you do that perfectly with a very short time. You don't need to actually spend a lot of time working with Talyn. Like, she's amazing. She's the best, in my opinion, on what she does. And come on, guys, she used to work with diplomats. Like, and now, like, she can work with us business owners and find the best of us and make it visible for everyone. So go ahead and connect with her. Make sure you work on your business, take it seriously, build your house. And with that, I want you to make sure to email me for if you would like to be on the show. If you have any idea you want us to cover on the show, email me at hello@echoesofimpact.net. That was your host, Nora Musri. Until next time, keep making an impact.